Hello, everyone, and welcome to a professional DevOps learning channel with DevOps engineer Luis. In today's video, we're going to be learning more of Git commands. Git commit-a-m comment is to add a modified file to the staging process along with a comment. Git pull brings changes from codes from the remote repository to the local repository. Git fetch brings changes to the code from the remote repository into the local repository, which can be merged after review. These are different because git pull doesn't give you the chance to review the changes, but git fetch gives you the chance to review your changes. Git clone brings the files from existing remote repository into the local repository. Git diff branch shows the difference between that shows the difference in files in different branches. Git merge branch name merges all the changes from one branch to the other. Git push alias name dash all dash all pushes changes from all branches. Git branch dash dash help shows a bunch of command related to branches. Git branch name creates a new branch. Git switch branch name switches between branches. Git config pull.rebase dash dash replace dash all your repository URL pulls all the changes and replaces everything in the local repository. Now let's go to the next page. Now we're going to practice a mobile term by bringing changes to an existing repository. So let's go ahead and practice this. Now let's go ahead and practice this in mobile extern. Now that we have mobile extern open, what we're gonna do is clear our screen. And let's practice our first command. What's our first command? It's git commit-a-m. So to do this, let's create a file or do git status. And on the branch master, we have nothing. Our working tree is clean. So let's do touch file name. We touch developing script.sh. Now that we touched it, let's do git status. Inside, we can see developing script is in a working branch. Now let's do git add. Let's say we're done with it. We add it to the staging branch, git add, and git status again. And what are we told? We're told that git status is now in the staging branch. And git commit-a-m only works for modified files. Now since we haven't modified this file, we need to modify it now in order to commit it with a-m. So let's vi into developing script.sh. Inside here, we can write this script is being developed. The script is being developed. Shift ZZ, and we'll write. Let's do git status. And what are we told? That our file is still in the staging area, but a modified version of the same file is in our working area. Now let's say we want to commit these two and merge these two changes together. What we'll do is git commit -a-m with a message script developed, and press enter, and we can see that is one file change, one insertion is complete. Let's do git log to check if it's done, and you can see script developed, our own log is there. Let's do git status once more to check, and on branch master, nothing to commit, working tree is clean. Next is git pull which we did in our previous episode. If you haven't watched it, please click on the I right now. And git fetch. Git fetch is like git pull. However, git fetch gives you the option to review these changes before you add them to your local branch. Now, git clone is like git pull. However, git clone is useful for if you have an empty repository after doing git init. Then you can clone everything and add it there. Git diff branch name. Git diff branch name, like we said, it tells us the difference between the two branches. In order to do that, let's first talk about git branch dash dash help. Git branch dash dash help. Now inside git branch dash dash help, we can see it gives us a list of commands that we could use. However, I'll show you a list of commands that we are going to use in today's video, such as git branch. This specifies which branch we are on. We are on the master branch because it's the only branch we have. Let's say we want to add new branches, we do git branch and then the branch name. We call it research. And git branch sales. Git branch development. Now let's do git branch normally, and we can see we have 4 different branches, but we are inside the master branch. In order to tell this, we can tell it by the green star or the green text. Not green star, the white star next to the branch that we're in, and the green text will tell us which branch we're in. So what do? We can do git switch to a different branch. Let's git switch to the development branch. Git switch, and we switch to development branch. Now inside development branch, what we can do is we can touch a file, touch work in progress .txt. Now let's do git status. And you can see that we have work in progress, which is in the working area. Has a nice ring to it, right? Now, if we want to tell the difference between each branch, we can do git diff branch name. Git diff and the master branch. And there isn't much difference. That's why it's telling us that we don't have much difference, because there's some sort of setting that has been enabled for us that shows us that whatever we do in one branch will be saved across all branches. So next, git diff, it might be different from you guys, so that's why you must always check git diff. And once you're happy, you can do git merge branch name. Up next is git push alias dash. Git push alias name dash dash all. Let's first git add, then git commit dash m with a message work complete. Now work complete has been completed. Let's do git push. What's our alias name? Our alias name is big boost. Now instead of putting our branch, we'll do dash dash all, and it should work. I wrote big booster It's big boost. That's all. We enter our username once more. DevOps 2 engineer. And we'll enter our personal access token. Where is it? It's right here. Paste it. And everything, our new branch has been pushed. Our new work has been pushed. And if we want to check, we can go back here, refresh, and it will show us 4 branches now. We have now 4 branches, and the developing script is here. Inside these branches, we can go inside the development branch and see what do we have in the development branch. We have developing script and the work in progress script. This is all wonderful, as everything that we have done on the local repository is now on the remote repository. Next up is git config pull.replace. This is for replacing everything that you have in your local repository. This is useful for when you have conflicts that you cannot solve in the remote repository and the local repository. You need to be ready to replace everything that you have in the local repository from the remote repository. Now, thank you for watching today's video. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and thumbs up. Congratulations on watching the full video. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you have any questions, please comment it down in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video as you continue your DevOps learning journey with DevOps Luis.